Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to remove app interests in Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove the app interest which you were interested on the Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on their profile picture icon at the top right, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and you land over here where you can find the general option at the top of the list over here. Tap on the general option at the top of the list, and when you tap and open the general option over here, these bunch of menus will appear where you can see the interests option available for us over here just below the automatically archive apps. Tap on interests and you can see the first option that says remove app interests, and it also says remove the app interest that you selected. So with that being said, guys, if you tap on this button, currently there are no interests to remove, it says, but if you were interested in any apps that you selected from the Play Store, those will be removed. So tap on it and all of the app interest which you had selected will be removed from your Play Store. And that being said, guys, this is how to remove app interests in Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.